Say namaste. uh, my name is Leena Takar, Dr. Leena Takar. It is also, the suffix would be Vaidya. If you see my title, Vaidya means Ayurveda physician. So it's Ayurveda doctor, and that's what the degree you receive in India, and then you are licensed as a medical doctor. What Ayurveda is, if a new person asks me, I would say Ayurveda itself has two words in this. Ayurveda is a Sanskrit term, like I was saying, it was all the knowledge is written and texts are in Sanskrit. So Ayur is a life and Veda is a science. So it's a science of life, science of longevity, science of how you should live your life in rhythm with nature. Which are nutrition or foods. Second important thing is lifestyle changes. Third important thing is detoxifying the body. And fourth is supporting it with a mind aspect, which is yoga and meditation. So in Ayurveda, we always believe that health comes with the mind, body together. First, the most important thing I emphasize is food. Because in Ayurveda, we believe food is the medicine. So your kitchen itself is a medical office. So I would suggest here that we have to immensely respect and also make sure that we kind of choose wise foods. It's not about bad or good food, it's about wise choices. The reason we are living people with and the non-living things are different because we have that life force energy, which is prana, which is only abundantly present in fresh food. So always ask to choose fresh foods. So in Ayurveda, if you ask me, 2 days old food is a dead food because it does not have life force energy. So air and space come together to form Vata energy, which is a moving force in our body. Because it's space and air gets in, it's a moving force. Then fire and water come together to form Pitta energy. Because fire, it's heat. So everything that is changing, like food turns into food juices, hormone changes, the knowledge I am giving you, there is a perception in the brain happening. Everything that's changing is because of Pitta energy. And Kapha, which is basically two molecules come together to form the structure. So Kapha is binding energy. So like aggravates the dosha, while opposite is a medicine. So if a person is cold, like a Vata person who already has coldness because of the air, or even Kapha person who has a earth and water has a coldness, if you ask them to have simple warm cup of soup, that's going to be medicine for that person. Now if Pitta, it's heat, it's gastritis, you ask him to have something cooling, refreshing mint drink, it's going to have the soothing effect. So that's how you choose the opposites foods and the pacifying foods for that person, and that's how first is the nutrition plan that you decide. And in Ayurveda, we believe every system starts getting clogged, and the first system that's finally is much clogged and cannot bear more starts showing the disease process. So a person comes to an Ayurveda person and he says he might have diabetes, he might have heart disease, he might have obesity. We do not work on systems here. We work as a whole. So I always tell that instead of starting 10 things at a time and then exhausting yourself and say, oh, I can't do this anymore, go with 2 things at a time, change 2 things for a week or 2 weeks, feel the experience about the positive aspect of it, and then move on to 2 principles. So it might take 3 months to 6 months to 1 year to change into Ayurveda. And I wouldn't say Ayurveda is a medicine or treatment, Ayurveda is a lifestyle itself. And because we are born in that tradition, it's easier for me to say, but in West world, it's different totally how you eat and how you choose your food. So that's why you have to little bit slowly practice on a couple of things, feel the difference and then move on. So it might be 3 months, 6 months, 1 year till you finally mold into the program. In Ayurveda, I say absence of disease does not mean health. Okay, so health itself, and to the point where you are diagnosed with a disease, there is lot more happening in between. And in that in between phase where you feel imbalance, you feel fatigue, you feel low energy, you have migraine headaches, you may have indigestion, you may have gases, bloating, all these problems, constipation issues, that body is telling you there is something wrong. So at that point, if you take control, most of the things are prevented first and bring back to the normal health status. Again, acute conditions, you need to take help of Western medicines and Western allopathic or Western conventional medicine. But my wise advice is to prevent and restore the health, so you don't have to take medicines. And that is what I think is a very good future any alternative or complementary medicine plan has. And Ayurveda, I am very positive, because the way I see within a 1 year, it's growing very fast.